Hey, hey, Goldie. Yeah, you have beautiful little babies. Hey, this is Thailand Tom. Sawadee krap. Good morning. As if we hadn't enough already with 10 cats. Now, look at this. Goldie is getting babies today. So far there's 3. We'll see what happens. Hey, Goldie. So, she ended up with 4 new little babies. Unfortunately, one of Kitty's babies fell into the water today, and we didn't notice and didn't get her up until it was too late to save her. So that one is gone, unfortunately. Fly to heaven. So now she have this one, and this little one over here. So 10 minus 1 plus 4, 13 cats. Yay! It's so sad because Kitty is walking around looking for her little baby that fell in the water. All day she go around looking for it and being very sad, of course. Which makes me very sad too. Sad to see. I'm sad for her loss. I can imagine that's the same feeling they have when their kittens are given away to somebody, one after another. Well, that's how it is, unfortunately. Still have the other ones. Good little one. Go to the bathroom in the right place. Hey, Goldie. Yeah, you have beautiful little babies.